Hey everybody, Mario Menduni here. Just want to do a quick video on repurposing winners and repurposing copy. Okay, so whether it's your own winner or something that you see that's trending in the marketplace, some of the biggest runs I've seen people go on are where they take a winning phrase, repurpose it, work it onto another product. Okay, so let's do a couple examples here. Okay, so again, these cards, these message cards, shine on specific message cards. Okay, so they're written sales letters, basically. They're a series of sentences that evoke an emotional response in a specific demographic of person, and the emotional response is strong enough to purchase. Okay, so let's look at blanket. It's also a it's a type of POD that's got a lot of room for a written sales letter. Okay, so in this particular example, this isn't the same blanket that I did, but I had a winner where I did this exact move. Okay, so the whole theme on this one is basically like, even when I'm not with you, wrap yourself up in this blanket and consider it a big hug, or know that I'm with you. Okay, so I did the same exact thing in the daughter niche, like from mom, a while back, and just changed the writing around a little bit, and I said, wear this locket or wear this necklace close to your heart and know that I'm always with you. And that's all it really took to make that SKU win. And it was a base hit win. I'm sure if I had split test enough SKUs, I probably could have developed it into a big win. Okay. The other thing, as Michael Christ says from Shine On, Franken quoting, right? So this is something that I've seen come across my feed a number of times, and this is in the wall art, the canvas wall art, okay? And it's just one basic line. You put your arms around me, and I'm home, okay? So you can just have that in your bank of copy, and you can just Franken quote that into, current products you have in development. You could also try to put these two different concepts together, right? And where you say, you try something like has copy similar to this, or rewritten copy, and it says, wear this necklace close to your heart, and, imagine your arms around me, right? Or, when you wear this necklace, know that you're home with my arms around you. Okay, I'm not a copywriter, but what I would do is I would give those general themes to somebody, like my sister or the copywriters that we hire from Upwork, and let them do a much better job than what I'm doing right now with some slight direction.